Hello everyone, let's see different sources of water through this model. Rain. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Stream. Stream is a small body of flowing water. River. River is a large body of flowing water. And ocean is a very large body of water. Well is man-made source of water. Pond is a small body of water surrounded from all sides by land. It can be man-made or natural. Lake is also a body of water which is surrounded by land, and hand pump is also a man-made source of water. Thank you.